Here's how to drain water from a Vissani Portable Air Conditioner in under a minute. Unplug the unit and move it to a flat surface near a sink or floor drain. Locate the drain plug at the back or base of the unit. Place a shallow pan or tray under the plug to catch the water. Unscrew the drain plug counterclockwise and allow water to flow slowly into the pan. If your model includes a drain hose, attach it now to guide water farther to a drain. Remove the internal water tank and check for debris or buildup. Empty the tank into a sink, rinse it lightly, and reinsert it firmly. Route the drain hose downward for continuous drainage if needed and secure it. Reinstall the drain plug and tighten it snugly by hand without over-tightening. Plug the unit back in and run a short cycle to confirm there are no leaks. Drain complete. Empty regularly and clean filters to prevent future buildup.